All right, guys, what is going on? In this video, I'm going to show you the single leg RDL. That's just a single leg deadlift. So I'm going to show you how to do it and also some common mistakes and corrections you can make, all right? So here I'm going to show you with dumbbells. You can hold 2 kettlebells, you can hold 1 dumbbell, you can hold a barbell. It'll probably be explained or outlined in your workout, but I'm going to show you with dumbbells first, okay? So what I'm going to do is put both dumbbells in my hands. From here, what you're trying to think about is have a soft, well, I'll show you on this leg. Have a soft bend in your knee, so don't lock your knee out, but also don't have your knee going way over your toe. Just have a nice soft bend, a nice athletic stance. Your core is braced. Already you should feel your butt working, right? So because that butt's trying to keep you on one leg. So you should feel your butt working. From there, push those hips back. Like if someone has a rope tied around your hips, push those hips back as you descend down into your single leg deadlift, right? And then come right back up. You can put your foot down, you can keep it up. If you need help with balance, just stop every time and put your foot down. So one more time, pushing the hips back, right back up. So you're trying to pull back up with your hamstrings and your butt, right? So be feeling those things when you do it. One more time. Shoes are not the best. Push your hips back, come right back up. Another leg, push the hips back, right back up. Okay? So that's how to do it. Just make sure you are keeping those hips getting pushed back. So you should be, again, you should be feeling your butt and your hamstrings. If you're not, something's wrong, okay? So one big thing, I'm gonna show you this way actually. One big thing is make sure you can keep your chest up. If you have a logo on your shirt, you should be able to see that logo on your shirt, okay? So don't go down and round, okay? Straight from this side. Keep those shoulders away from your ears, pulled back. Right back up, okay? Because if not, you're gonna go down and round. Keep those shoulders down and away from your ears, okay? The next thing is, when you're going down, again, ensure that you're trying to maintain a neutral spine. And what that means is just make sure, like we just talked about, we're not rounding or you're not bending through your knee, right? This is not a single leg squat, this is a single leg deadlift, okay? So that knee should try to stay, you're trying to keep your shins vertical, okay? Try to keep your shins vertical to the ground. So you're not squatting. Push your hips back until you work those hamstrings and those glutes, all right? So again, you can hold 1 dumbbell, no dumbbells, 1 kettlebell, 2 kettlebells, barbell. It'll be outlined in the exercise, but just make sure that you are sweating again. This is like the 15th video I've filmed, so a little sweaty. Make sure you're going through your hips, okay? The biggest thing I see is people are trying to either A, squat it, or just get off balance. Try to, if you keep getting off balance, try to slowly keep your back foot up, back, and then back to that toe on the ground, okay? So if you keep getting off balance, back toe on the ground, slowly, back toe on the ground, okay? That'll help you to balance, all right? Guys, if you have a question, if you want me to look at your form, feel free to email me, reach out to me. I'd love to help you, all right? We'll talk soon.